5 strategies to shine bright on the job. Shining bright at a job is often associated with being a suck-up, brown nose, or teacher's pet. What shining bright at work is about is being a nice person, working hard, and having the right attitude. Keep reading for 5 useful tips that you can implement at work immediately to shine a little brighter and help others too as well. 1. Have a positive attitude. This doesn't mean you need to be the annoyingly cheerful coworker at all hours of the day. Be kind. Don't be a negative Nancy. Think before you speak. Being positive in less than stellar situations can take time, practice, and effort, but being the one with the right attitude can go a long way in making situations better and getting noticed for the right reasons. 2. Accept feedback gracefully. Sometimes even the most well-intentioned constructive criticism can sting. Even at those times, accept the feedback gracefully. Do not allow the negativity of others to cause you to act out. Instead, ask questions about the feedback so you can better understand how to do better next time, and this will also show that you're willing to learn and self-correct in the future. Look at every criticism as a chance to grow professionally. 3. Be a professional. Being a professional can cover many areas. Consider your language, swearing, your attire, and your actions. Do your best to remain professional at all times. This doesn't mean to altogether eschew your coworkers, though. Be sure to still be friendly, joke around a little, and show that you're willing to contribute to the work culture as well. 4. Go the extra mile. Sometimes going a little bit above and beyond what was expected of you can garner big dividends. Always considering doing a little extra to show that you care about your work and the office. This will impress your supervisor and show your coworkers that you care about everyone in the office. 5. Volunteer for new projects. Sometimes your plate is already too full, and you can't consider taking on one more project. If your plate isn't already too full, though, consider volunteering for a new project, be it a solo or a team one. This will show that you're willing to try new things, take one for the team, and you never know, the new project might end up being a fantastic opportunity for you. Shining bright in the office is not about outshining everyone else. It's about illuminating your own abilities and strengths while also casting everyone else in a positive light so that the team can grow together. Remember, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link.